forecast.
Welcome back. Well, as we indicated earlier, this forecast brought to you by the color blue. Blue temperatures, blue precipitation, blue forecasts are very hard to figure out what's going on right now, but we're going to give you the best forecast we can and got some new model data to show you as well. So let's cut to the chase and get to it. And the big story is the winter weather that has sunk down into the Gulf South, where over toward the Texas Hill Country and South Texas, they have winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings for the possibility of more frozen precipitation. Still a winter weather advisory only for eastern Louisiana for the possibility of very light, spotty, freezing rain and or sleet. The accumulations are going to be a trace to maybe a few 100ths of an inch. So that is barely enough to make a bridge or overpass icy, and it's going to be sporadic in spots as we go to the east, but it may be in spots across Acadiana as well. So right on the cusp of whether advisory needs to be issued or not. It's one of those very nebulous weather scenarios that we've been looking at, and we've been knowing that this is what we were going to be looking at going into this evening. Now, plenty of precip on the radar. Most of it's not reaching the ground, or this is very, very light. It's enough to see on your windshield, but not enough to make you feel wet. But that's a different story out in the Gulf, where it's going to be raining for a good part of the night. And then we have winter precip back to the west of us, a little bit of a mix in eastern Texas. We'll watch that as it moves eastward, but the bottom line, temperature is still well above the freezing mark, so we're not anticipating any travel issues at least through 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Now here we have Power Doppler 3. We can see that light precip. We can see the details on it, and watch what happens. You see this light stuff right here that we're picking up on. If I switch it over to the National Weather Service radars and go with the precipitation type, you don't have that kind of clarity, but what we do get with this is where there might be a little sleet being mixed in with the rainfall, and that trend is going to increase overnight tonight. It looks like a little disturbance moving on through right now, and then another one loading up in Texas, and that'll get here around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So that's why we see the enhancement on the HER model as we go later on tonight. We'll see, again, a little bit more precip, maybe a little dry slot, and then toward daybreak or shortly after 3 or 4 in the morning, maybe a little light precip, and at least the HER model is throwing us a bone, maybe a little bit of a snow flurry, but again, we're not expecting many or any accumulations at this point. And then cloud cover lingers. It finally clears out tomorrow evening, and that's when temperatures will be dropping like a rock, heading for a hard freeze tomorrow night. Now, here's the latest ice accumulation product. So we were showing you this 2 days ago. Then yesterday, none of the models were showing any kind of precip. The graph is still sticking by its guns. Maybe a 100th of an inch of freezing rain. Then let's switch it over to the GFS model. It's showing a little something here, but this is not enough to ice over bridges or overpasses or anything like that. But then we shift over to the NAM model, which is by far always the coldest and iciest model, it's going for something a little bit more along the coast. But normally I'd throw this out. Well, got a new model for you tonight. How about the Canadian model? It's called the GEM model, and we'll pull that one out. And the Canadians know a thing or two about frozen precipitation, so why not take a look at their model, which gives the NAM model, which I just showed you right here, I'm backing it up, a little bit more credence. So if we do see accumulations getting into the 1/10 of an inch range or more, then we're going to see some icy bridges and overpasses, but I wouldn't count on this model guidance quite yet, but it's a little bit of a red flag, and we didn't get one all day long until late this evening on these latest models. Temperatures mid-20s tomorrow morning, northern parishes of Acadiana, and I think if anything with the cloud cover, we're not going to be quite as cold as the models are telling us. Upper 20s, lower 30s, I-10 corridor, and the same down along the coast. Tomorrow, the forecast highs, I think, spot on. We're in the 30s most of the day, barely reach the lower 40s for a high across the board. And then tomorrow night, as it clears out and the winds die down just a little bit, it's going to get even colder. Lower 20s for northern portions of Acadiana. We'll go mid-20s I-10 corridor and mid-20s down across the coastal parishes. And this is the pipe-busting type cold you're going to have to be prepared for. And then add to the cold temperatures, we have the wind chills tomorrow morning, upper teens to lower 20s. So bundle on up, whatever kids are going to school tomorrow. It's you, Evangeline Parish. You're going to tough it out, but we always reassess tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. We'll see how it's going. Check in on GMA. Wind chills tomorrow stay in the 20s throughout the day. And then tomorrow night, those wind chills well down into the mid to upper teens for Saturday morning. So a good morning to sleep in for Saturday. Here's your temperature plot. So tonight, light to a hard freeze, and then we'll definitely be in hard freeze territory for Friday night, Saturday night as well. Then we get a little bit of a thaw out, but we have another freeze or two on the way later into next week. So overnight tonight, windy and cold, brief light rain, sleet mix possible. No accumulations nor travel issues expected at this time, but we'll see how things go overnight tonight. Sometimes there will be a surprise. And then tomorrow, maybe an early morning flurry right around daybreak. Look for that. Cloudy, breezy, and cold. Maybe the sun comes out late in the day, and the wind chills for most of the day in the 20s. And here's that 10-day forecast featuring the coldest temperatures so far this winter, and maybe the coldest temperatures and 10-day forecast we'll see all winter long. This gets us to the end of the month, and I do expect a significant warm-up in the first week or two of February.